DONGYANG Printing Company. Out to in box by folding and transforming. The out to in box by folding and transforming is a patented product of DONGYANG Printing Company in Busan, South Korea. Out to in box by folding and transforming is a revolutionary packaging box naturally completed by a two-layer structure by folding by transform. Out to in box by folding and transforming solves the printing and coating problem of the rear side with transforming by printing and coating on the surface of the box. So, there is no need to pay additional cost and the production period can be shortened. Out to in box by folding and transforming naturally completes a two-layer structure on the surface and the rear side to enhance the strength of the box. Out to in box by folding and transforming. For strength reinforcement, it is not needed to add the same paper or corrugated paper on the back side separately. Suitable for packaging boxes of heavyweight food and industrial products. Out to in box by folding and transforming can discharge residual oil from the product through the holes in the bottom of the box. Out to in box by folding and transforming. In order to enhance the lower discharge function of residual oil, an insertion space of the oil-absorbing fabric may be created. Out to in box by folding and transforming. The holes in the bottom have an effect of preventing the sliding of the product inside the box. Out to in box by folding and transforming. DONGYANG Printing Company.